So following a request, let me make another video on roots of unity. So you remember in class I used GeoGebra to visualize this, but for those that missed it, the basic idea, let me do one example and then the general case. So suppose we want to solve z to the 4 equals I. So this is equal to 1 pi by 2. So one solution is via de Moivre's theorem, or a naive application of de Moivre, is, let's call it u, is equal to 1 to the 4th root and 1 over 4 pi by 2. In this case, everything's on the unit circle, so it's a little bit simpler. But in general, this number is the root of that number. So here, this is also equal to 1 pi by 8. So what we have is that, so if that's pi by 4, pi by 8 is about here. There's one solution, there's u. And all the solutions are u times the 4th roots of unity. And what are the roots of unity? In general, those are the ones, these are, they're size 1, that's 2 pi by n, or 4 in this case, and the powers of those. So this is called this omega 4. So all the 4th roots of unity are omega 4 squared, omega 4 cubed, omega 4 to the 4th, and equal to 1. They're the solutions. Let me do the nth case. Are the n solutions to the complex equation z to the n equals 1. And it's generated by 1, 2 pi by n in polar form. So in this particular example, the overall solutions to finding z to the 4 equals I is u, and then u times omega 4. This is 90 degrees here. U times omega 4 squared, and then u times omega 4 cubed. This should be on a circle. I've not drawn it terribly well. And the reason these all work is because if omega 4, when you take the 4th power, that becomes 1, and so does omega 4 squared and omega 4 cubed. So the general solution is so let's say that we want to solve z to the n is equal to let's say some number a. We can write a in polars. So a is going to be some, let's say, r comma theta p. This refers to a. So one solution, u is r to the 1 over n, comma 1 over n theta p. The nth roots of unity are 1, 2 pi by n p. And all the solutions to this equation over here are u times omega n, u times omega n squared, all the way up to u times omega n to the n, which is just u.